Get ready with me while I show you what I got from the Sephora sale. This is one of my two order. I ordered twice because I'm like, why not? First thing I got was the Quarterly. This is a serum. This is a brightening serum. This is the bottle. I use it. It leaves my skin so soft and smooth, and it just like absorb right into my skin. I love this. Next thing I got was the One Size Aisle Sucker Primer. I've heard so much good things about this primer. This is the bottle, and I'm about to test this one out right in front of you. So they said take a dime size amount and put it here where I have my large pores. I get oily right here. Oh wow, look how it's mattifying my pores on my nose. One Size Rich Peach to set my color corrector. Their powders is always so soft and beautiful. Foundation, I got two foundation, Patrick Tar and One Side Turn Up the Base. The color is 26 Neutral in the Patrick Tar. One Size Dark Deep 55. Hopefully it's not red on me. I don't know why I got red undertone. I'm dumb. This is both foundation side by side. This is the color. This is the Patrick Tar. The Patrick Tar literally just like blend right into my skin. This is the Turn Up the Base One Size. Let's see, I'll do it on this side. Okay. I don't know why I'm using my hand. I'm gonna go with Patrick Tar today. Look at that coverage. I think I did good. It matched me perfectly. This is LYS Beauty, the bronzing stick. I didn't get this on the sale, but I would if I was you. The closest sunscreen. This is in 40 SPF, I think. This is it. It's like tinted. So good for your skin. It's like a hydrating sunscreen. Definitely, I would recommend. Since we're on the topic of skincare, papaya toner. I used it last night. This is a pH toner. It is so heavy. This comes in a glass bottle, and they have like a stopper. It won't leak. So this is like good for traveling. Like I'm traveling. I did pick up the Mario Dew F4 bronzer and foundation brush. This is it. This is the brush. The hairs are very soft. So I like to push my contour up. Oh wow. Look how fast that blend out. Oh, this blend out so easy too. This is concealer now. I did not get this at the Sephora sale. Other concealer usually dry out my under eye, but this doesn't do that. Forever Mood Perfume. I've been trying to get my hands on this fragrance. Look at the bottle. It's so pretty. The notes are exactly what it said it is. I could definitely smell the pear in here. It smelled like so good. To me, it smelled like Dolce & Gabbana Blue, but more expensive. And I'm on vacation right now, and this is all the perfume I bring, and I keep wearing it. Look how much I use already. Oh, I could just smell it all day. This next powder I'm about to show you, it's a super popular powder right now. Because I'm a Rouge member, I'm always splurging. So I picked up the Kosas powder. This is in the color Peachy. The container is so adorable. It's cute, white. It's still like compact and just like, I could just throw this in my purse. It's very pretty. And I like that it's kind of like raised. You see what I'm saying? I do have a problem with creasing. This is like a tip. If you're a creaser, do one eye at a time and just set it right away. Rich Peach first from One Size. And that's one thing I love about One Size powder. They're so finely melt that it's just so easy to just like suck right up into the pores. You could even take a brush and look at this. Put it right under the eye. I'm definitely going to keep buying the Kosas powder. So pretty. Not really much fallout. Tarte Brow Pomade. Color is in black brown, and I did my brow off camera. Color is really good. Match perfect. I'm gonna bronze up the face. This is my favorite bronzer, Fenty Mocha Mami, and I'm gonna use the Mario. I'm gonna bronze up the face now. Color, this is Watermelon Bliss by House Lab. This makeup was calling for some blush. I was looking dry. Just a liquid liner from the Sephora collection. That's it. Dries matte, dry fast. Because the one I've been using is very like cheap. I also got the One Size, the travel size. You probably know about this spray. Hold your breath. The smell is very strong. always make me cough. I also got a wing liner from One Size in the black. This is the One Size on the right and the Sephora on the left. Look how matte that is. Makeup Forever 5 pencil in a pack. That brown right there, there's a black, a white, and like 2 different type of brown. I'm gonna do the lips right now. These little sucker are so little. This is how the lip liner turned out. I picked up a new lipstick from Charlotte Tilbury. This color is Rose to Fame, pinky nude. It is so pretty and I love a nude lip. Yeah. I swatched them for you. These shadows are so beautiful. So I'm gonna put this on my eyes right now. And initially I wanted the other color, but I don't mind. I'm very dramatic anyway. I'm just gonna go right in with a brush. I'm going to pull out at the end. This eyeshadow is very soft, buttery. In person, it looks so much better in person than on this camera. So soft and buttery, and I put some on my hand. Let's see, and I'm just gonna like push it on. Yeah, it's work better if you put it on your hand and just put it on your skin or your eyes. That looks way better. Wow, it's so beautiful. I've never tried an eyeshadow like this. It's so pretty and it's so worth it. I think I'm gonna go with the other lighter brown color and I'm gonna do that on my underbrow. Let me know if you want me to do an unbox when I get my next package. But yeah, this is the look. I'm gonna do bottom mascara, some black eyeliner in my wet line and waterline. The eyes are everything. So good.